In the quiet vastness of space, the stars have whispered tales of cosmic wonders and far-off galaxies. But what if, among these celestial narratives, there's a message waiting to be received? A message not of cosmic phenomena, but of extraterrestrial intent. The question has always been not whether we're alone in the universe, but whether we're prepared for the company. As we teeter on the precipice of potential cosmic relations, a sobering thought emerges. What if our greatest challenge isn't the vast expanse of space, but our own readiness to engage with it meaningfully? Dive into an exploration of uncharted preparedness in the face of extraterrestrial contact, as we assess whether we're truly equipped for the universe's most profound hello. We might be on the brink of an unprecedented interstellar rendezvous, and we're utterly underprepared. Imagine a day when, gazing at the skies, scientists detect an interstellar object darting into our solar system. Initially mistaken as a celestial traveler like Oumuamua, this visitor soon exhibits behaviors far from natural. Suddenly, it's not just a rock from space, but possibly a probe with an intentional mission. As layers of evidence unfold, we ask, is this how first contact begins? Such an encounter, though fictional for now, is not entirely implausible. As our technology improves, so does our ability to spot these visitors. However, the next big question arises, are we ready? The silence after the beep. John Gertz, author of the paper Interstellar Diplomacy, alarmingly suggests that the answer might be a firm no. While global endeavors, led predominantly by SETI, Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, have significantly increased in finding ETIs, our preparedness for a potential encounter remains a void. This void isn't from lack of trying. SETI, backed by influential figures and colossal funding like Yuri Miner's $100 million commitment, collaborates with major radio telescopes globally. Yet, its focus on fleeting signals from distant stars may be misdirected. As Gertz highlights, it's arguably more probable that advanced civilizations would opt to send probes to garner information and make contact. The problem of premature action. A major concern Gertz underscores is humanity's potential hasty response to first contact. In our current geopolitical structure, individual nations possess the freedom to act unilaterally. This autonomy raises the chilling possibility of a single nation deciding the course of action for all of humanity, potentially jeopardizing our collective future. Given the diverse array of potential responses, from destructive to diplomatic to devotional, the need for a united global approach is evident. The ramifications of handling an extraterrestrial probe as a hostile entity, or worse, treating it as a divine emissary, are vast and unpredictable. Furthermore, the Trojan horse dilemma is noteworthy. A seemingly friendly probe might weave tales we desire to hear, lulling us into a sense of security, while its creators plot a more sinister agenda. Towards international consensus. Gertz's proposition? An international treaty governing our unified response to first contact. Drawing inspiration from the UN's Committee on the Peaceful Uses of Outer Space, COPUOS, Gertz argues for a multidisciplinary, multinational committee. This body, comprising experts from diverse fields, from astrobiology to cryptography to economics, would strive for a cohesive response to an extraterrestrial engagement. Moreover, transparency becomes paramount. This means nations engaged in space exploration and research should share data. While America opens its SETI data stream to China, the lack of reciprocity hints at the challenges that lie ahead. Trust, openness, and collaboration are prerequisites for this endeavor, especially when facing potential threats or opportunities of an extraterrestrial nature. Gertz's proposed treaty, aptly named Treaty on Principles Governing the Activities of States in Humankind's Relations with Robotic or Biological Extraterrestrial Intelligence, offers a comprehensive framework. At its core, it underscores that first contact isn't a national affair, but a universal one, affecting every human across generations. The way forward? Unity. However, the challenges are immense. The prospects of nations with deep-rooted political, religious, and cultural differences sitting together to determine a united response to alien contact seem like an improbable script for a fantasy film. Still, the road ahead, as Gertz articulates, is unity. The reality is stark. While the idea of first contact stirs up excitement, it equally demands unparalleled responsibility. In the grand tapestry of the universe, our petty differences fade, and the urgency to act as one becomes clear. The galactic stage might await our entry, but are we ready for the spotlight? Gertz has laid the groundwork. It's up to us to act. Before we become celestial ambassadors, the real task is uniting as Earth's citizens. The galaxy watches, and time is of the essence.